dice que le gustan los plátanos maduro. Ella me dice que le gustan los plátanos maduro.
I love it.
What you say?
I see that, I love you.
Ali. You know, you blow my building. And I know why. Like somebody when you carry you go out there. Yeah? And tell him say you want to find the nearest police station. Tell the person say you want to find the nearest police station. A police station woman I go see say is a mad girl and carry at Bellevue. How the fuck you find a police station and want to know where police station there?
I'm not going.
Pussy if you try going down a blood clot, if you try reach far in a blood clot life. If you use a brain and stop using a blood clot, big stinking pussy I try go. Yes, so she get botched if you try. You say me no know that is a man. Come tell me right there so you know me love mix up and the whole of it. True. Can't believe mama really do that for me. See boss said did that as a girl, me nah go there. Why you try to pussy no, me did vex with the girl in the mind, me I tell her say I'm me first. They want to beat that, you know. Me need to go and beat that first, you know. Me not beat it up. I mean, first they want to beat that girl in my yard, but the boy down on them. Batty boy down on. Fuck up. And batty boy busted. And batty boy no, Benz, I will kill you. My dog. And batty boy no, book, I go in.
No. But me know Benz are my dog.
Yeah, man. A binds are Benz.
Binds, man.
A binds.
No, I didn't call him by, but I'm not talking about that.
Oh.
Yo, you go on now. You're rich, man. You're rich.
You're rich. Okay.
Man, them. They're gonna sit now. Yeah, too. Where you say about your girl now?
But man, you see me, I don't know if I topic, you still want me to talk about your girl.
You did that? I fuck you should have dog.
Yeah, I fuck you should have dog. I fuck you the girl. Yeah, you go skin out the blood clot, pum, go be bumbo clot, down at them. And look how we there, so I call you all.
True.
This is like she thinks that we don't have no hype.
Me go sir, you go sir. No, not do that. Go sir. Yeah. Alright, that brother, one more hype.
No, one more she want. Hey, Batty boy, stop saying that. No, man.
Man, there.
What one did I take so long? Jesus Christ. One did I take
So we don't have the capacity.
Bumba! You might look like you eat something, you minium.
Me need to catch you dog live again.
White by your lip. Tap rub the cream to dog. You park your Benz in my underpants. Come start, you know. You with your gun emoji. How you tell me say you want to give me gun right again? Me no want no more injection in my butt, we don't care. Go suck your mama, girl. Me I tell you nothing, bitch. You come over my blood clot life, but we don't care. Say you don't care. Cause if you don't care, man, them care. Bro, you look like mackerel. And pussy well, you look like you season them when fry up your blood clot mackerel. You black no blood clot. You come like a platinum when you blink off it. As you turn so you black to pussy. Hey, girl, come suck me out from. Me mouth a jowl so. I want me see. I want to say, but I don't want to tell you, look, that I flat I want you know, I get in on myself and feel like, you know. I can never hold a peaceful life, dog. Like, sit down and talk to people. I can never do that. That what? Oh, Mr. Salt. That time, my mother piss and I wash out her pussy. You come over here and tell me if you wipe her blood clot. Wipe up, hey boy, more you suck your mother from Genesis. To relevant batty boy, or whatever the word name, pussy, me know what I came out of. More, bro. You're cute, bro. Suck your mother with the reverse cycle something. Batty boy. Man favor lizard. Me favor your mother clit. Taros. Batty boy. Focus. Lip up at the mouse in your pussy. Bad yard. Play a match in your mother. I bet say your mother pussy tap here. Bag empty, your mother pussy empty. Respect your fuck. You don't respect your daddy, batty boy. You don't respect your blood clot daddy. You don't see. Then bright me up now. Make me brilliant like you, but I know you that your mother. Your real mother. As man in like me fuck you. Rosalie are your sister. Yes, I am a nephew. So Rosalie are your blood clot mother. Don't mind you me. My father and my youth me from 2016. Oh, the blood clot you for my youth, me batty boy. For my youth, your mother. Money done! Remember me rich, you know, anything you don't want me, you go know that, you know. I have to fuck with you first. Why pray banger? Why pray your mother? Batty man. You're the next one, youth. Why you not care your mother got GP with you? Jaga, me dog, suck your mother still. Big scammer, your mother pussy. Hey boy, stop calling me them S-word, youth. Return switch that. No, I want the blood clot, you say. Me more think batty boy. You see me look depressed to your batty boy. If you're depressed, you're not going to suck your mama.
Start get some likes. Me a suffer. You see me? So, if I can't tell me how me 700k video on my page, can't give me a little money. So I can move A to B. But I can give thankful feet. Right? The video that we see on my page will get too much views. Give me some money for it now, man. Because if me have to go come live to talk to some of them people, they not gonna give me nothing. They not gonna give me nothing because if I look a certain type of way, they not sorry for you upon you. Right? So they come like I said, no, I'm out of their league. So they ain't have Frank give me from about 3 months now. About 3 months now, me not see ranking. Right? And me a suffer. And me tell her, say, me start get some views from my account. And me say, sir, or ma'am, is there any way I can get something for it? Because if I have a company life sometime, henka. You henka from morning, and you henka from night. And you still not get nothing sometime. Because people them pie, them a look pie and say, they can't do it. So if there's any way you can give me some money for the videos on my account so I could buy some food to eat, I would appreciate it. Yeah. Me a suffer. No, 4 months now, but me know it's a long blood clot time. The girl are hungry. The girl are suffer. Me a bomba clot suffer. And how much am I going to tell you? Me want money. Money me want. Me want blood clot money. Money morning, money evening, and money blood clot night. Money me want. Money. And what the fuck you did things somebody did want? You? You know what? Yo.
Hey boy, I got suck your woman, man. Really, me can't get one wheel pan the gloves.
Yo, my man didn't tell you who to go wheel up batty boy you want wheel. You give people them wheel pussy, you think the people them a see. 6, wait, you just go look at work, bro. 6, frustration must be killing you. I know, I wish we were going to a man now. You see some people with bucket of KFC, you know, all them better. 6, you can't do nothing more you. There you do now, just kill yourself. Grandma's zone move fast, you know. What you plan for? I say you plan for live. Beg, sleep, shit. Get up, beg again. Yeah, come. All you do is sit down and come, and you not fuck. Come! Fucking idiot. Are you me a talk to you, boy? Me come here, no?
Yeah, beg you something for the double here. We don't have no gloves.
Beg too much pussy, go look walk. People them want like a vibes, man. You they not the vibe, they can't.
Don't like we don't want to be a dog.
One beard, you know? That's why I look so like you. Hungry and depressed. Come! Oh, no, it's never see 6 years open up, so too much stress, so you build up bags, you know? You might watch people pocket, so when you watch people pocket, now you just build up something right there, so bro, and you hang down, you know? And I sleep in and sleep, bro, because I remember I sleep all life. My house look back a thing, you know? Spend half the whole lion money, them a taboo and make a fucking idiot. 6, 8, me at a 6 mother and I like him.
13 roast team. Nice, everybody.
13 roast. Hey, batty boy, stop dead.
Batty boy.
Are you broke me out?
Boy, a batty boy now.
Sweet, yeah.
Boy, I make me this year before me dig off my life.
That's not 6. 6 don't diss people.
No, man, me a this year, man. Pussy, what you mean me not these people?
No, me I tell you, 6, you're more like a pastor, bro. Faith and strong mind. 6, now you play bam bam, dog. You know, bam bam, 6, dog.
Guys, not even top up the screen to blood clot.
Beat them now. You ain't a box one of them in the ears. Can't tell the people don't for the batty boy. Rate your fucker, you not suck me. You not rate me. You know more time in the night, me looking at the ceiling and mother take a headers. But I pray me to me I beat you up and happy now and see me in real life I get a case of Guinness in a bro. You know you come my people and party with the dry throat business now you. Like I rock with one bottle of water man, every song play you take a sip man. Tell the people them say you're sick and you not drink. Me nah laugh, then kill yourself pussy if you not laugh. Reset life, but reset mode man. I don't know how I go and feed, I know me can't get like a pussy.
You're rich in a life.
Not too much man, team it, focus you.
Before you know Interstellar and Lion and them, remember me make you know the look of puss them.
You did give me if you go and tell me in my face.
No, me I try to show you bro say.
But I'm glad you remember say me name big you up.
You never want
you didn't know say one day I go come when you fall off and say you don't think you tell me.
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
That big like for me. Team,
I'm gonna go and pray one day, man. 6K fall out, man. Cause 6K get too much like on TikTok and still the blood clot live.
6 God even remember you.
We don't have no gloves. We don't have no gloves.
I can't bush, I go pussy. Beg a rake and a shovel.
Big up, not the gloves.
Work. Set live gold pussy, send a rose from the start of my life.